Good morning to all of you. Now, in this seventh chapter, in this video, we are going to discuss about the greenhouse farming. Greenhouse farming, green means about related to the crops, you can say, where the greenery are there, forest about, plantation about. So, here, house and farming. So, here we are going to read something. Let's see. Countries with a cold climate receive less heat from the sun. This hampers the growth of plants and vegetables. Hence, arrangements are made to accumulate adequate heat from the sun. The roof is made of either glass or cloth to allow the sun rays to penetrate and sustain the heat inside the buildings, and this practice is known as the greenhouse farming. Here telling ki some area of our country or anywhere sun rays are not reaching due to height, suppose in hilly areas only, because every time in hilly areas there is going to drizzle. So sometimes some area of our country they are where the farmers or plants are not getting adequate heat to grow the plants properly. So what they are doing, they are making a roof, a artificial roof of made of glass or some green color clothes. They just wrap a house, they are making a house type of house over the plant. मीन्स ग्लास के हाउस बनाते हैं, उसके अंदर या तो प्लांट्स को रख देते हैं, पॉट्स में है तो, अगर पॉट्स में नहीं है इट इज़ ऑन द फील्ड, तो दे जस्ट कवर द फील्ड विद दिस ग्लास और अदरवाइज विद दिस ग्रीन क्लोथ्स. So these things they are just penetrate the sun rays, means sun rays को penetrate means छान के नीचे की तरफ धरती तक पहुंचाती है. एंड व्हाट इज़ द बेनिफिट, एंड देन ना हीट इज़ ट्रांसफॉर्म बैक ऑल्सो, तो इट कैन नॉट बी very easily go back. If the sun rays are penetrate, then it sustain there, मीन्स कुछ टाइम के लिए वो हीट वहाँ पे बनी रहती है. एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस द प्लांट्स आर गेटिंग adequate heat to grow, and this process is called greenhouse farming. Now see in this diagram also changing climate. See dry, famine, then desert area. This one is a pond area, Himalayan hills, mountains. Then rainy area where the rain occurred heavily in equatorial zone, maybe every time, every day 4 o'clock or near about evening time it is going to rain. And then this flood area, so that is called climatic change, we can say, where now these days in everywhere of our country also having climatic change, floods occur here there, so many problems also started with this. So here wanted to say this picture ki through the climate change lot of problems also we have to face with this. Write one sentence about each of the picture given above in your notebook. If you can wanted to write something, you can write. 6 pictures are there, 6 points you prepare related to this. Now next topic is what is global warming. Global warming refers to an unequal and continual rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system due to the greenhouse gases. Means from our factories or a lot of things we are in this picture, you can see factories, vehicles, sprays, fire burning, a lot of gases are going. Our atmosphere is get a lot of poisonous gases, and these gases not only create poison in the air, but it also increase the heat of the atmosphere also. And this process is called global warming, means पूरी दुनिया में टेम्परेचर डे बाय डे एवरेज बढ़ता जा रहा है. It occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation. कह रहे हैं कि ये सब कैसे क्यों होता है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, क्योंकि कुछ गैसेस जो है जो ऑलरेडी एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट है, दिस हार्मफुल गैसेस दे जस्ट absorb the ultraviolet rays too much, because now you know ozone layer become very weak, so ozone due to pollution, and that's why ozone so many ultraviolet rays mean it is coming from the sun, that one is absorbed by the these gases, and these gases though it is present in the atmosphere, it increase the temperature. This effect makes the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming. So in this way you came to know how the global warming occurred. Here you can see in this diagram also three rays they are showing. One is between, one it reaches up to the atmospheric level, some are restricted in by the ozone layer, or some are reflected back, but some rays are reaching entrapped infrared. I mean some gases absorb the ultraviolet rays also, that they wanted to show here. News from newspaper. Average increase of, now here in this stanza they are showing how we just came to know the temperature is increase in which sector. All so many things, temperatures are increasing, and which in collectively we are telling global warming. Average increases of 5 degrees Celsius in the temperature in West Europe. हीट एक्सपीरियंस मीन जो वेदर रिपोर्ट है उसमें ये वेस्ट यूरोप के वेस्ट साइड में एवरी ईयर 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर बढ़ रही है. 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इन दार्जिलिंग reaches to maximum to 28 degree Celsius. Now what is telling here, you this see this temperature numbers 14 to 28 means just double. दार्जिलिंग में जो वहाँ पहले 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस का भी नोट किया गया था टेम्परेचर, नाउ इट इज़ रीच अप टू 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मीन वेरी comparatively very hot become that these areas. Snowfall in desert. Now these some areas in desert area they observe the snowfall also. Mumbai received 942 ml rain in one day. मुंबई में in 2005 means मुंबई तो महाराष्ट्र every year it is raining, they got rain a lot of 940 ml means near about 1000. इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया 2005 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टेम्परेचर कंपैरेटिवली टू अदर ईयर्स इंक्रीज्ड. सुंदरवन इज सबमर्जिंग. सुंदरवन इज near the Calcutta forest range is there, and below that below the trees water is there, that is called submerging, and that one is increasing day by day. Reduction of 5 kilometer in Khumbu snow river of Nepal. स्नो नेपाल में कोई कुंभू करके रिवर है, उसका भी वो 5 किलोमीटर और ड्राई हो गया, माने मीन्स एजेस से फ्रॉम द एजेस दे जस्ट मेज़र कि 5 किलोमीटर मोर इट बिकम इट रिड्यूसेस मीन्स और भी कम हो गया और नैरो हो गया. आइस कैप ऑफ द साइज ऑफ 3250 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर melts within 35 days in Antarctica. From Antarctica, you know, it is a snow area. It is land is not getting everywhere. It is icebergs are there. So they just observe this one. Within 35 days में 3250 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर जो एरिया जिसमें कि बर्फ़ से ढकी हुई थी वो सब मेल्ट हो गया, बर्फ़ मेल्ट हो गई. Sources of river are drying up, and that you know already कि now the sources from the where the rivers these days flowing, their sizes or length we can say become very less due to ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. नदियाँ सूखती जा रही है ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, टेम्परेचर से, और मिस यूज़ ऑफ रिवर वाटर्स. So in this we came to know, in this way also we estimated कि yes, the temperature is increasing day by day. So here I am ending today with this. Now next video we will discuss the next topic, how does the earth get heated. Okay, bye, thank you.